Fasting or abstaining from foods for extended periods has gained attention for its potential health benefits. One of the most talked about processes that fasting promotes is autophagy, a cellular process that plays a key role in cleaning and rejuvenating cells. Here, I will explain the benefits of fasting for up to 36 hours, covering topics like autophagy, hormonal effects, mental health benefits, and the role of specific foods that may enhance fasting benefits. 1. What is autophagy? Autophagy is a natural cellular mechanism where cells remove damaged or unnecessary components. This self-eating process allows the body to clear out old damaged cells, which can help prevent disease, promote longevity, and maintain cellular health. Autophagy is crucial for keeping cells healthy, as it enables the body to recycle old cell parts and create new, healthier cells. Fasting is one of the most effective ways to trigger autophagy, as the body, deprived of external nutrients, start relying on internal resources. When you fast, insulin level drops and glucagon level rises. Glucagon, a hormone released when blood sugar is low, stimulates autophagy, encouraging cells to repair themselves. Autophagy can help reduce inflammation, improve immune function, and even lower the risk of chronic disease such as cancer, diabetes, and neurodegenerative conditions. 2. The fasting state. The body goes through different phases during fasting. After a few hours without food, it enters a fasting state where blood glucose levels drop, leading to lower insulin levels. This shift allows the body to switch from burning glucose for energy to burning fat. Around the 12 to 18 hour mark, glycogen stores deplete and the body begins to burn fat for fuel. This process is known as ketosis, and it's around this point that autophagy kicks in. By the 36-hour mark, the body has likely entered a deeper state of ketosis, with significant fat burning and autophagy occurring. This process is believed to promote longevity and metabolic health, potentially improving issues related to insulin resistance, obesity, and inflammation. 3. Growth hormone. Fasting has been shown to increase growth hormone GH levels dramatically, with some studies suggesting a spike of up to 300-500% after a 24-hour fast. Growth hormone plays an important role in metabolism, helping to build and maintain muscle mass, burn fat, and support tissue repair. Increased GH levels during fasting allow the body to protect muscle tissue even while fat stores are used for energy. Growth hormones also support the body's regenerative process, promoting skin, bone, and muscle health. 4. Mental health. Many people report mental clarity and heightened focus during fasting in signs. Others some explanations for this phenomenon. Fasting causes a rise in catecholamines such as norepinephrine, which help the brain feel more alert. Additionally, fasting promotes the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF), a protein associated with brain health, cognitive function, and mental resilience. Studies have suggested that fasting can support mental health by reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety, likely due to improved neurotransmitter function and reduced inflammation. Additionally, autophagy in the brain cell may help remove damaged or dysfunctional cells, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Foods that complement fasting. Some foods and beverages, although not taken during the fast, can be used to enhance or prolong the benefits of fasting and improve cellular health. 1. Avocado. Rich in healthy monosaturated fats, avocados are filling, which can make it easier to transition into and out of fasting periods without hunger pangs. Avocados also provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support brain health. 2. Coffee. Plain black coffee can be consumed during a fast, as it has minimum calories and has been shown to support autophagy. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, and caffeine can further stimulate fat burning, improve energy levels, and enhance focus. Allowed during fasting due to its low calorie content, it contains compounds like catechin and EGCG, epigallocatechin-gallate, which can enhance fat burning and may also support autophagy. Green tea also provides a mild energy boost without the jitters that can sometimes accompany coffee. 4. Olive oil. When ending a fast, incorporating olive oil into your first meal can provide a gentle source of healthy fat, supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. Olive oil is rich in oleic acid, a monosaturated fat, and contain antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory effects. 5. Turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can be used as a supplement to support fasting benefits. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been linked to reduce inflammation and improved brain health, potentially supporting the benefits of fasting. Conclusion. A 36-hour fast can lead to significant health benefits, including cellular cleansing through autophagy, increased growth hormone, fat loss, and improved mental clarity. With proper hydration and the right boost, fast food like avocado, coffee, green tea, olive oil, and turmeric, you can further enhance these effects. I hope you find the information interesting enough to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notification and tell your friends and family about the video.